right, we got Chandler James Rawlings here going to tell us our ones times tables. Chandler, what's 1 times 1?
2.
What is it?
1.
1 times 2.
2.
1 times 3.
3.
1 times 4.
4.
1 times 5.
5.
1 times 6.
6.
1 times 7.
7.
1 times 8.
8.
1 times 9.
9.
1 times 10.
10.
1 times 11.
11.
1 times 12.
12.
1 times 13.
13.
1 times 14.
14.
1 times 15.
15.
Smile for the camera. Don't worry, don't sweat. Don't even wonder if you multiply by 2, you get an even number. Don't worry, don't sweat. Don't even wonder if you multiply by 2, you get an even number. 2 times 1 is
2.
2 times 2 is
4.
2 times 3 is
6.
2 times 4 is
8.
2 times 5 is
10.
2 times 6 is
12.
2 times 7 is
14.
2 times 8 is
16.
2 times 9 is
18.
2 times 10 is
20.
2 times 11 is
22.
2 times 12 is
24.
2 times 13 is
26.
2 times 14 is
28.
2 times 15 is
30.
Woo! O-S-T mustisn't. O-S-T mustisn't. O-S-T mustisn't. First conjugation present tense. O-S-T mustisn't. O-S-T mustisn't. O-S-T mustisn't. First conjugation present tense. Parts of speech. 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 There's noun and there's pronoun, there's verb and there's adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective. Parts of speech. 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 There's noun and there's pronoun, there's verb and there's adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective. Parts of speech. 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 There's noun and there's pronoun, there's verb and there's adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective. In 800, during the medieval period, Pope Leo III crowned Charlemagne, Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. In 800, during the medieval period, Pope Leo III crowned Charlemagne, Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. This is CC, Cycle 2, Week 1, History. Tell me about Charlemagne. It starts off with in 800, so we're going to hold up 8 fingers. In 800, during, like we're stirring something up, during the medieval period. We're going to run our hand above our arm all the way to our fingers during the medieval period. Pope Leo, so we're going to go up like his tall hat. Pope Leo III, here's our 3 fingers, crowned Charlemagne, there's our C, Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. Okay, so we'll start that again from the beginning. In 800, during the medieval period, Pope Leo III crowned Charlemagne, Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. Good luck. What occurred on each day of creation? Day 1, earth, space, time, and light. Day 2, atmosphere. Day 3, dry land, plants. Day 4, sun, moon, stars. Day 5, fishy creatures, birds. Day 6, land animals, Adam, Eve, done. What occurred on each day of creation? Day 1, earth, space, time, and light. Day 2, atmosphere. Day 3, dry land, plants. Day 4, sun, moon, stars. Day 5, fishy creatures, birds. Day 6, land animals, Adam, Eve, done.
This week we will be learning about continents and oceans. The first continent is North America, which is right here, followed by South America, which is directly south of it, Europe, which is over here, this gray area, and then Asia to the right, this pink area, and then Africa down on the bottom, Australia, the land down under, and then Antarctica, the white piece of land here way at the bottom. And then our oceans, the Indian Ocean right here, right next to Africa and India, the Arctic Ocean, which is up north, the Atlantic Ocean, which is right here in the middle, the Pacific Ocean, which is over here on the left, and then the Southern Ocean, which is in the south. Now I ask and you point, where is the Southern Ocean? Where is the Pacific Ocean? Where is the Atlantic Ocean? Where is the Arctic Ocean? Where is the Indian Ocean? Where is Antarctica? Where is Australia? Where is Africa? Where is Asia? Where is Europe? Where is South America? And where is North America? And now I point and you tell me.
Timeline, this is my timeline. Timeline, this is my timeline. Timeline, timeline. We start at the beginning of the ages. Age of ancient empires. Creation to circa 450 AD. Creation and the fall, the flood and the Tower of Babel, Mesopotamian, Sumer, Egyptians, 3000 BC, 3000 BC, Indus River Valley civilization, Minoans and Mycenaeans.
All right, hi friends. So with this timeline that we learn, we're also going to learn hand motions. A lot of them are ASL or American Sign Language, and I'm someone that does not know American Sign Language, so this is all very new to me. It's a little bit intimidating. If this is new to you, it'll be intimidating as well, but just know, give it your best shot, and it will become easier with time. So our classical conversations gave us a timeline sheet for each week, and it tells you what to do with the signs. Some of the signs I added in because they weren't included, and I thought you would just want to know them, but you absolutely don't have to do them unless you want to. So the first one is timeline. As you know, the song starts with timeline. So I'm actually going to stand this way so that you can learn. If you have issues with spatial orientation like I do, and maybe many children do, you can start learning it from how you're supposed to do it, and then we'll show you eventually facing you. So it'll be time, line. Okay, this is a sign for a line. So it's timeline, timeline, right?
Yes.
Then you're going to go to, you're going to start at the beginning. So it's going to be like you're starting a car. So you're going to hold your hand out. And you're going to take your index finger of your other hand, and you're going to go in between your index and your middle finger like you're starting a car. So we'll start at the beginning. You're going to use the A sign. So it's a fingers closed, thumb on top, and you're going to come down like it's your beard. So we'll start at the beginning of the ages. So it's going to come down like you're making your beard. You're going to keep that A sign, and you're going to do Age of Ancient Empires. So you're going to come down from your chin in a zigzag, and that's like the old beard. So Age of Ancient Empires, okay? And it's creation. So you're going to hold your hands up here. Creation to circa, so you're going to make a C sign with your hand, circa 450 AD. Okay? Then it's creation. So it's creation and the fall. The flood, you're going to come back up. The flood and the Tower of Babel. Okay, and then you're going to go Mesopotamia and Sumer. So these were two civilizations that had rivers, or surrounded by rivers. So since it's between Mesopotamia means between rivers. So you're going to take your hand, you can either make a Spock sign, but if that's really hard, you can make it this way. And you're going to take your right hand and you're going to go between two rivers. So you're going to make the R sound and R sign in ASL. So you're going to cover middle finger over index, and then these other two fingers are down and your thumb's over. Okay, so that's R. You're going to make two R's, rivers. So between rivers, Mesopotamia and Sumer. Then you're going to go to Egyptians. So you're actually going to make the X sign in ASL, which looks like this. So you close your fingers except for your index and thumb. Your thumb goes over and you make a little hook. So we're not using this for the X, but we're using it to signify the little snake that would be on top of an Egyptian's headdress. And you would put that on top of your head. So you go Egyptians. Okay. And then it goes to 3000 BC. So actually I'm going to sign that with my left hand just because some of you want to improve dexterity on both sides. So it would be 3000. So the sign for 3 in ASL would be this. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 3000. You're going to take those 3 fingers, except for the pinky and the thumb, and you're going to go into your right hand. This signifies zeros, 3 zeros. 1000, you're going to make the B sign in sign language. So that would be your palm out, your thumb in, B, C. So you got 3000, 1000, B, C. Okay, then you go to Indus River Valley Civilization. So it was in India. So you're going to point to your middle of your head for like their marking. So Indus Valley, and you're going to do your river hands again. This is the R sign. Indus River Valley Civilization, Minoans and Mycenaeans. So it doesn't say which hand to use for Minoans. We'll just use the left hand again for dexterity. You're going to do the bowl sign. So you're going to take your 3 middle fingers down. This is a bowl sign, and it's going to go on your head this way. So you're going to go Minoans, and then Mycenaeans, they wore gold, and you're going to signify that by pointing to your right ear and then doing that same bowl sign again, but you're going to shimmer it down. So you've got Minoans and Mycenaeans. All right? So let's try that. Thank you.
Serious? I'm a cat. I don't need to learn hand motions.
Again, so today we're going to be learning about the 5 elements of shape. And we call that oils. So oils like this. That stands for circles, enclosed shapes that are not colored in, dots, enclosed shapes of only curved lines that are colored in. See, the eye is colored in. L is for angled lines, and S is for curved lines that are not enclosed. So let's make something using those 5 elements of shape. I'm actually going to start with a circle, not shaded in. Inside that circle, I'm going to put dots that are shaded in. Then I'm going to put some angled lines. I'm going to add in a curved line and maybe another angle. So what did I make? I made a flower using all 5 elements of shape. Have fun drawing.
We are doing an experiment called Shaded, and it's to demonstrate how a planet's surface temperature can vary. So this is a thermometer that's actually been inside, but I just walked outside. It says it's 83, but it's like 100 degrees out here. So it will get hot momentarily. I'm going to place this in the shade under a tree and we'll see what the temperature is. All right, so it's been 20 minutes out here and check that out. It didn't really change much. It looked like we're about at 85 there. So we're going to reset this thermometer indoors and then we'll go put it in the sun and see what happens. Okay, so we reset our thermometer again. We're back outside. Looks like we're at about maybe even 85. I'm going to put this in the sun and we'll see what happens. All right, so we've been out here for 20 minutes in the sun and now it is 99 degrees. So you can see it's much hotter in the sun than in the shade, and so that just proves that shaded areas are cooler and that landscaping can provide different areas on Earth's surface that have different temperatures.
This experiment is called Same Place, and its purpose is to determine why satellites appear to be stationary. So basically all you need for this experiment is a rope and possibly a tree, but we didn't have to use it for this. And so basically what you're doing is one person is holding the rope and just kind of pivoting in a very small circle, and then the other person is walking along in a large circle in line with the one that's in the center. And basically what's happening is the faster speed is required to travel around the larger circle than the person that's in the center. This helps us understand that the geostationary operational environmental satellites, otherwise known as GOES, are placed 22,500 miles above the Earth, and they move at a very fast speed, which gives them an orbital period of 24 hours, which is the same as Earth. So the satellites appear to remain stationary above the Earth. As you see Brianna here, it doesn't really look like she's moving because Chandler in the center is moving. And then you can see from an outsider's point of view that they are both in fact moving. There are more than 120 geostationary satellites positioned above the Earth's equator.